What's up, everybody? Thanks for tuning in. All right, let's get into it. So, for this video, how to use the Daedalus wallet. First things first, you go to daedalus.wallet.io. Once there, you can read this information or you can choose not to, really up to you. This all is pretty helpful. Tells you what it's about, unlimited accounting, supporting all desktop platforms, etc., etc. A bunch of other wallet features and great information. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit download. This is where you're presented with the different options regarding your operating system, whether it be Mac, Linux, or Windows. And based on whatever you're going to be using, you're going to hit download. In this case, I'm going to hit download Daedalus for Mac. As you can see, I've already downloaded it earlier and did a little messing around, but we'll wait for this one to download just so you can see. All right, so we're all downloaded. So of course, you'll find this on your desktop or your downloads folder, wherever you choose to store your files. So in this case, I already have it installed. It's pretty easy to install. Just you run the package, next, next, continue, drag to the applications folder. You may have to enter in your password for your computer if you have one set, and then that's it. Now you click the little wallet. It's a little icon down in your launch pad, and then once it opens up, this is what you'll see. You'll have the option to pair with your ledger, of which you'll connect your ledger. Pretty straightforward. If you already have a wallet and say it's on another computer at a different location, or you lost your computer or something of that nature, hit restore. You can either connect with the Yoroi wallet, or you can hit Daedalus and enter in your 24-word seed phrase. This is where you enter in the 24 words. Once it's entered correctly, check recovery phrase. You'll enter a password, you'll name the wallet, and then the wallet will pop up. So then you'll see something like this. So as you can see, you can also add multiple wallets at once. So here we have 6 wallets. Here you have your delegation center on this little decentralized node looking thing, whatever it is. Then you come over here to stake pools, where you can view all the different stake pools. This is pretty cool. In the beginning, it wasn't so accurate. It's getting a lot better now. You can literally click it and see what the ranking is, what the live stake is, what the pool margin is, what the pledge is, cost per epoch, produced blocks, potential rewards, and then you have your rewards. So here, each wallet will display exactly what you've actually received thus far in rewards. And unfortunately, though, one little thing I don't like about this is it doesn't show the actual transactions of you receiving the rewards. So you're going to have to basically track it yourself. There is a pretty handy little tool called pooltool.io, which I'll show you in another video. You take your wallet address, you go over to PoolTool, you enter it, and it literally will pop up all of your rewards each time you've received rewards, what the ROI was, the stake at the time you received those rewards, and a bunch of other info. It's pretty solid. So for here, there's info. Cardano transitioning to a decentralized system, 68% decentralized, a lot more decentralized than a lot of other things out there. Here you have the ITN. That's if you actually participated in that. You can put your recovery phrase here, and then you'll actually be able to port in your rewards. In this case, we're not even going to go over that. That was months ago, so that's neither here nor there at this point. Here, you can change your English, number font, date format, time format. You can toggle through a few different themes if you want to go light or dark, which is the one I like. Terms of service for the wallet itself, support, and that's pretty much it. Each wallet has its own setup like that, where you can see the summary, all of the different transactions. You can come and hit send, of which you'll just put the wallet address, the amount you want to send, and hit next. Receive. Any of these receive addresses will work. So you don't have to use the same one every single time. It's a cool little safety feature. One person can easily track one wallet address, and I guess, having more than one wallet does have its benefits. Transactions again, where it's solely transactions, whereas the summary is literally a summary. Name, amount, all the transactions, number of pending transactions, etc. Whereas transactions, literally transactions. You can export it to a CSV file, and you can also filter it based on date, time, amount, etc. So it's pretty solid. Now if you go over to more, let's see, settings, rename the wallet, when the password was updated. It's always good to put in your recovery phrase every now and then so you at least know it's still good. Me, I don't really do it. I mean, I'm pretty secure. I know what I'm doing with my stuff, so I'll leave it be. And then the distribution. And that's pretty much it in a nutshell. It's like logging into Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citibank, any of these platforms, but instead of using digital dollars via Zelle or something like that, you're actually using your crypto. And of course, when you go to the reward center, you're actually making money.